Friends, I'm Adinath Giri from Giri's Tech Hub, Pune. I would like to share the course content detail about the Diploma in a Full Stack Java Developer. Friends, this course will design under the guidance of our hiring partner as well as under the guidance of our alumni. Those are working as a Java Full Stack Developer from last 5 years in IT industries. But friends, as a freshers, before joining any course, you should have to know some important points like as what is the full stack developer, which area you get a job, course content details, as well as training and a placement plan. These are the major 4 important points you should have to know before joining a course. So friends, now we have a first question. What is the full stack developer? We can say a full stack developer are the experts. They can design the front end as well as they can design the back end. Also, they have a knowledge about the servers and much more. But if you think about the Java full stack developer, so Java full stack developer, right, must have a knowledge about core Java, advanced Java, and frameworks. Also, they have a good knowledge in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, web services, and database also. These are the some core area where Java full stack developer can work. After completing this course, that you can get a job in this area as a Java developer, as a UI developer, as a SQL and a PL/SQL developer. Also, we can apply the Java full stack developer. And these are the 4 positions where you can apply after completing this course. So friends, how we'll teach you? We design this course module by module, and these models we design as per the guidance of our hiring partners. Because when any company want to hire as a developer or any company want to hire the Java developer, then company required candidate should have a good in algorithms, good in logics. For that purpose, we design the first module, logical development. So in this module, we'll teach you pattern development, string algorithm development, array algorithms, recursive algorithms. And if you are from a non-IT background, means some people are from a ENTC, mechanical, civil, and they are also interested to switch in IT industries. So we'll start their training from a C language also. And if you are from IT background and if you require a training from a C language, we also provide from a C language. Also in this module, we provide a 7 days training of SQL, daily 5 hours. And in this module, we provide a guidance of a programming techniques by our alumni or our industry experts also. So friends, we have one more module like as a Java development. So in this module, we will teach you a core Java. So we'll design the core Java syllabus as per the Oracle certifications. Means in core Java, we cover 2 certifications, OCJ and OCPJP, Oracle Certified Java Associates and Oracle Certified Professional Java Programmer. We will cover all syllabus of these 2 exams in a core Java. Also, we'll teach you advanced Java. Like in advanced Java, we'll teach you JDBC, Servlet, and JSP. Also, we'll teach a frameworks. In frameworks, we'll teach you a Spring, Hibernate, Spring Boot, web services, and some little bit knowledge about microservices. So in this model, we'll provide a complete guideline how to crack a Java interviews, how to focus on a Java as per the point of interviews, and how to focus on a frameworks as per point of interviews under the guidance of industry experts. So guys, we have one more module, UI development. In UI development module, we'll teach you HTML, CSS, and a Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, and Angular. And also in this module, provide a guidance about how to crack a UI development interviews and some practical how to design the UIs also under the guidance of industry expert. Also, we have one module, general aptitude preparation. Why we design this module? If I want to place you, so first of all, candidates should have a clear the first round. And normally in a first round, companies are asking about a quantitative aptitude, technical aptitude. In technical aptitude, they are normally asking about the MCQ questions of a C, data structures, and SQL also. So we'll provide a training of quantitative aptitude, technical aptitude also, GD preparation, and HR preparation. These are the some modules, right? These are the some guidelines we'll provide in this module. Why the purpose of this module is to clear the first round of the candidates. So friends, these are the some module we'll teach you in a Java full stack developer. But friends, we have one more slide. In this slide, we'll explain you how our training plan and a placement plan also. How we'll teach you. So from Monday to Friday, right? Compulsory, there's a 2 hours theory lectures and minimum 2 hour practical compulsory in a technical trainings in Java, C, and etc. Okay, minimum 2 hours is a practical compulsory. If candidate want to stay more time for a practical, so we allow them. It is not a compulsory, but 2 hours compulsory from our side. Okay. Also, at a Saturday, in every Saturday, we'll organize one online test on a basis of a quantitative aptitude, technical aptitude, and programming. Also, alternate Saturday, we will organize your mock interviews by a Tech Hub alumni as well as our some associated industry experts. Placement start. When we start your placement, when we join the course, we'll start your placement once candidate good in writing a basic code, OOP concepts and database concepts. That is after 40 days. But if you want to start your placement from a first day of a training, we'll start your placement from a first day, but you should have to give a one test of a basic programming. If you are good in a basic from your college background, then definitely will start your placement from a first day of a course joining. Also, in this training, will organize the one workshop of a 7 days workshop on quantitative aptitude, right? Daily 5 hours. Okay, this is some training plan and some placement plan. And if you want to be in a duration of the course, fees and placement strategies, our clients and basic packages and something, so you can contact on this mobile number. This is the email ID where you can put your, you can send email. Also, if you want to check our placement history, so you can visit our website http://techhubindia.org/placement tab is there. So you can visit our placement page, you can see the placements. Also, if you want to check the placements, we have an Android application, Giri's Tech Hub. You can download the application from a Play Stores and you can click on a success story. So you can get a complete idea how we place our previous alumni and which companies you are also placed, right? And for reviews purpose, if you want to cross verify the reviews, so you can visit our Giri's Tech Hub Facebook page. You can read the reviews from our previous students and our alumni. Also, you can read our reviews from a Just Dial, or you can read our reviews from a Google and much more. So if you have any doubt related with this course content, definitely you can contact us, right? We'll 100% give a support and give a guideline to this course. Okay. Thank you.